Does every keyboard nowadays use the exact same keycaps? Okay, they might be different in color, but that's it. No matter what keyboard brand you buy from, whether it's from Apple Maker, QWERTY Keys, or Yunzi, the keycaps kind of just follow the same trend where the legends are at the top right, they're double shot PBT, and are reasonably bolded with the big keys kind of having crappy fonts. I own a bunch of these keyboards from my big YouTube channel, so I more or less have 30 sets of these keycaps with just different colors. Is this somehow a way just to cut costs by letting one huge factory make these keycaps for every Chinese company? Because as you all know, custom pre-built keyboards have been getting ridiculously cheap. Personally though, I wouldn't complain about it. I mean, they're keycaps that make keyboards cheaper, and you can always just switch out these keycaps for unique personalized keycaps. Though let me know what you guys think about this because it's interesting.